Hello everyone and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to save files as PDF in Windows 10 without additional software. So let's see how to do this. To save as a PDF file, first open the document you want to convert. Then find a way to print through the software that's containing the document. In the print menu of the software you are using, you should be able to select the printer you want to use. You will note that there's one entry in the list which is Microsoft Print to PDF. It will save the file in the PDF format, which is what we are here to do. Click Print. Clicking Print will open a Save As window. Save the PDF file as you would any other file. Give a name for the document. Then click on Save. Now you will have a PDF version of the file you just printed. This is how you can save file as PDF in Windows 10 without any third-party software. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.